Welcome to our channel. Today we how to link your IHSS provider account to a recipient step by step clearly. To link your IHSS provider account to a recipient, start by logging into your IHSS provider account. Use your preferred web browser and navigate to the official IHSS website. Enter your username and password in the designated fields. Click the Login button to access your account dashboard. Once logged in, locate the Link a Recipient option on your dashboard. Click on this option to proceed to the linking process. You will be prompted to enter the recipient's information. This typically includes the recipient's full name and their social security number or case number. After filling out the required fields, double-check the information for accuracy. Next, click on the Verify button to ensure the recipient's information is correct. If the information matches, you will receive a confirmation message. Continue by clicking the Link Account button to finalize the process. You should see a success notification indicating that your account is now linked to the recipient. If you encounter any issues, refer to the Help section on the website for troubleshooting assistance. For additional guidance, consider contacting IHSS customer support if needed. Remember to log out of your account after completing the process to maintain your account's security. You have now successfully linked your IHSS provider account to the recipient. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.